Now, parts of Texas are waiting on the possibility of severe weather. North Texas, including the Dallas-Fort Worth area, has the possibility of seeing some strong thunderstorms tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's going to be quiet here. First Warn 5 meteorologist Andrew Chung is tracking the forecast for us. Andrew, what kind of severe risk does the Dallas area have for tomorrow?
Well, Steve, the Dallas-Fort Worth area has a slight risk shown in the yellow for severe weather. The time frame is tomorrow, especially in the afternoon into the evening hours. With that, we're talking about possibility for some isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms and maybe some tornadoes and thunderstorms with damaging winds and hail. If you look at the orange bullseye, that includes Oklahoma City as well as Denison, Sherman, Gainesville, Texas. Those areas have an enhanced risk of severe weather for tomorrow. And down in Waco and Austin in the dark green, that is a marginal or lowest risk of severe weather for tomorrow. Just general thunderstorms for Houston and San Antonio, but happily here, just quiet weather in the valley and dry. Wish we could get some rain, but it's going to stay dry and warm for tomorrow. But if you're thinking about traveling northward, keep that in mind that there is at risk for severe weather, especially in Dallas-Fort Worth, all the way into Oklahoma City for Sunday, especially in the afternoon. Very quiet today, just very warm, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. We'll have clouds come back into the forecast later on tonight, and some spots could see some patchy overnight fog. Temperatures right now are in the lower 70s in Brownsville and Harlingen, upper 70s in McAllen, mid 70s in Weslaco. Winds are out of the southeast at 11 miles an hour, and the humidity 74%. So here's your day planner forecast. It's going to be a mild Saturday night tonight. We're down to 70 degrees at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some clouds possible, maybe some patchy fog in spots, but afterwards it is mostly sunny by early or rather late morning on Sunday, and it's very warm and breezy. 83 at noon and 87 degrees at 5 p.m. If you're going to be outside tomorrow, do take it easy and drink lots and lots of water. This warm trend will continue for most of next week. We talked about a front earlier at 6 p.m. Just in the upper valley. That has moved back to the north a bit and stalled out. That should fizzle out over to the east. All the energy is to the east and north of us. That's why our friends in the southeast have been dealing with very nasty weather today in Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and Florida, pushing off to the east. For us, it just stays, as I said, dry and very warm. We'll have another front move right to the north of us, bypassing the valley for Monday. And there's a key word, breezy for tomorrow and very warm. Breezy on Tuesday. Then another front should finally arrive in the valley by the middle of this coming week. We're thinking it arrives here by early Thursday morning. Ahead of it, there is a very slight chance for some showers on Wednesday. And behind the front, sadly, not much of a cool down, at least during the day. We're going to go from lower 90s on Wednesday into the upper 80s on Thursday. But you will feel the difference by Thursday night and Friday night, as those morning lows will be back in the mid 60s. So at least the morning lows will feel much nicer just in time for next Friday as well as Saturday morning. Then the front may move back to the north as a warm front by the end of the week. On the water, small craft should use caution through noon tomorrow for the offshore waters. We'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop tonight, then choppy tomorrow. Your next tide is a high tide at 1:20 a.m. and the seas are 3 to 8 feet. So your forecast for tonight, clouds come back in late. There is that chance for some patchy fog in some spots. Temperatures tonight only in the upper 60s. And then for tomorrow, after some clouds in the morning, mostly sunny by late morning, very warm, even hot with a high of 91 and breezy. Check out the winds out of the south to southeast at 15 to 25 miles an hour. So here's that 7-day forecast. High temperatures are back in the lower 90s tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday. Mostly sunny Monday. It is breezy and warm tomorrow. A spotty shower possible Wednesday. We're only going to put in a 20% chance of some showers. Then behind that front, less humid on Thursday with highs in the upper 80s. The morning lows are back in the mid 60s for Friday and Saturday. Quick reminder that tomorrow at the Bogus Ford Event Center from noon to 4 p.m. we'll have Storm Fury with Tim Smith. Admission is $1. We'll have a look at sports with Brandon after this.